Hey everybody, I got some new headphones with a nice little microphone, and I think the sound is a whole lot better, so I'm excited about this. Well, let's get started. This was skipping school last March, This is skipping school this March. All you have to do is click close and you're already there. I'm sure lots of you are like, oh mom, I have so much work to do as you're playing Roblox or whatever you do. On Tuesday, April 28th, it's National Superhero Day. It's also, and then Wednesday is International Dance Day, International Guide Dog Day, and National Shrimp Scampi Day. I know this looks different than all of our other days. The website was not working for some reason. Okay, our little puzzle thing. The mistake was there was the word "the" listed twice. Can you find the mistake? So there you go. Congratulations are in order. Congratulations to Grady, Hutto, Lainey, Lexi, Catherine. You all submitted a correct answer, and then somebody submitted with a correct answer without a name in the box. So it's kind of hard to give you a shout out. Our puzzle for this time, I love this puzzle. This problem can be solved by preschool kids really quickly. By computer programmers and a little bit more tongue, and the more education you have, the longer it takes you, which I think is crazy. So there's the puzzle today. I hope I didn't just set you off on a 3 hour staring at it. I don't get it. Let's see, for people who have seen me on Schoology conferences, it wasn't working on Monday afternoon, but I put a little note in there. I'll set up a Zoom if you need to. So if you see that note in there, in the Schoology area, just follow it. Woohoos go to Makai and Hutto. I saw both of them. Here's what our work looks like for today. You're watching the video. Then review your study guide. I graded the study guides and put the password for the test on the study guide. I had a lot of kids taking the quizzes and then doing the study guide after, and I'm like, why are you doing that? Just do the study guide first. So I'm making you do the study guide first. And then take your test in Schoology in the Schoology section, the top assignment in the assessments folder. And on the bottom here, below the CER, you'll see some sort of comment from me with the password there. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with how I'm spending my quarantine time. And then you take your test. So that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me know if you have any questions. Hop on Schoology if you want a review or anything. There's also this test study resources, which is just a quizzes and a Quizlet in there. So if you have anything that you need, let me know. See you guys later. Bye-bye.